Hey guys, so our customer contacted us saying that they couldn't get a network signal in their home gym and that there was no connectivity via the Ethernet cable. So come out to check things out, and this is what we found. So we've plugged in our cable tester and we can see that there is no connectivity, but the cable is 12.6 meters long. So started tracing along the cable. It ran out here, down underneath, came to here, and we found the fault. It looks like one of their other contractors have accidentally drilled through the cable. So how are we going to fix it? What we're going to do is we're going to use an external RJ45 coupler, so that will make it watertight and that will fix the problem. Okay, so the joint is now installed, cable repaired. Let's go see if it works. And there we have it, all fixed.